Guys, we're gonna be having a lunch in number one buffet. Number one buffet. It's good, and we also have a birthday celebration today. Okay.
All the way to the left.
Yes. This is inside the number one buffet. We'll go to the food later. So there's plenty of food. As you can see, I'll go faster so you can see in the shorts. Delicious, huh? They have shrimp, ham, pork, fish, noodles. That's it. They have dessert. That's it. Join us.